Girls Beauty.
Hey beauties, Andrea. This video is going to be a review on the Flexi brush. Of course I had to do one. I was just about to do a top 5 detangling brushes for curly hair, but then I thought, I was like, wait a minute, this is pretty popular. I heard pretty good things about it. I have to review it before I review the top 5, just in case it makes it to the top 5. But we'll see. It says curly hair solutions right there. The bristles, this is what it sounds like. Don't be alarmed when you hear that noise, alright? For the most part, it's not something that's ripping your hair out just because it makes that noise. Yeah, the bristles go up about almost an inch up, and it has different sizes right there, as you can see, and it's a pretty good size. It's not too big. Right here is a good size, not that wide. It's kind of a little bit long when it comes to like right here, but nothing out of proportion, just simple. And in the bag has holes, probably if you're drying your hair, I guess. It's meant to detangle wet and dry hair, real or fake hair. So of course you can use on your extensions as well if you do wear extensions or weaves or anything. It is meant for sensitive scalps and stubborn knots. It is durable. It claims to reduce hair loss, and it also claims to give you that scalp massage, right? You can get a good grip. I don't know, maybe I'm seeing double. I see a baby blue here and I see a greenish right here, but maybe that's just me. I don't know. All right, so let's start on the bottom. I like this support right here where I can hold it like that. Okay, all right. So I am moving up, going around. No, it's not ripping my hair out. It feels like it's detangling because I am moving up with no problem. Okay. Get out right there. If you go all the way down and it stops, just get out and go in again, guys. Don't just pull it down. Okay, see? It's actually very gentle. And you feel comfortable going in. It doesn't hurt your scalp, by the way. It does not hurt right here at all. I had other brushes that did, like the Tango Teaser. But this one, I don't feel anything on my scalp. It doesn't hurt at all. And it clumps your curls, I feel like. Speaking of clumping, you know the diamond brush. A lot of you guys recommend using the diamond brush to style my hair. And no, it does not work for me. It's horrible for me. When I brush my hair with the diamond brush and leave it like that, after product's already in, no, it doesn't work really for me. It takes all the product out of my hair. But I think this one might. I don't know. I like the way that it clumps my curls. It's doing good so far. As far as the hair, good. Nothing bad. This is good. This is okay. And starting from the bottom. Okay, that's even lower. The amazing grip. Like you can literally put your thumb right here and just hold it down. I like that. Wait up. Okay. Get out. Go back in. I like to go all around. Okay. Move up. Sometimes I like to go on the outer perimeter and then go in. Just works amazingly that way. Okay, move up. Okay. Alright. I am so glad because, you know, I'm usually not with the wagon, not with the hype. When most people like it, I'm over here like, why? But with this one, yes. Is it easy to clean? Fairly easy to clean, yeah. The bristles are in there, but they're not straight in. They're not straight, they're like leaning. Alright. I like it. I like the way it combs my hair. I'm gonna definitely try to do this, product in and brush it to see how it would dry in a curly hair routine, right? I really like this. I am surprised. I did so many reviews on so many different brushes. This one beats a lot of them. It went up to the top. Yes, I like it. I recommend this. Definitely should try it if your brush is not working for you. I feel like it was expensive, but then if it's durable, it might be worth it. You know what I mean? Because you gotta pay shipping too. I pay shipping. I don't like pay shipping. I'm the type of person, like my card be $500 to order and then you tell me I gotta pay $3 shipping and it's $5.50 for free shipping. I'm gonna go to $5.50. I'm that bad, okay? Shipping is included, so it's expensive. Maybe without shipping, I feel like it's a little expensive. But if it's durable, it'll be totally worth it. Because I don't see a way of this coming out. Like, I don't like when bristles come out of your brush. The whole thing just comes out. Not like singles, but like the whole thing. I don't see a way of this coming out, but you never know. It's pretty firm in there. It did an amazing job. It does not feel like it's pulling your hair. Good job, Flexi brush. All right, all right. I do recommend it. It's a yes from Curls Beauty. I like it. I really liked it. Before you go, don't forget to check my t-shirt merch. I'm going to leave the link down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you, guys.